today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Uplift on Southwest. To get started, head over to the Southwest Airlines website. Once you're there, begin searching for your flight just like you normally would. Enter your destination, choose your travel dates, and select the number of passengers traveling. This part is straightforward, and it's the first step to seeing whether your trip may qualify for monthly payments through Uplift. After your flight results appear, choose the itinerary that works best for you. Take a moment to review the departure times, flight details, and fare option you prefer. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to move forward in the booking process. Next, you'll enter the passenger details. Fill in the traveler information carefully, including the full name and contact details. You'll also be asked for an email address and phone number so the airline can send updates and booking information. Make sure everything is accurate here, since even a small mistake can cause issues later with your reservation. When you reach the checkout page, look closely at the payment section. If your booking is eligible, you should see a pay monthly or uplift option. Keep in mind that this won't appear for every flight, so availability may vary depending on the itinerary. If you do see it, select Uplift Pay Monthly. At that point, you'll be redirected to the Uplift application page. This is where you'll provide some basic information to continue. Typically, that includes your name and address, date of birth, contact number, the last 4 digits of your social security number for US users, and your debit or credit card information. Uplift usually performs a quick, soft credit check, and in many cases, the approval decision is returned almost instantly. If you're approved, you'll be shown the available payment plan options. These may include terms such as 3 months, 6 months, or sometimes 11 months, depending on the offer. You'll also see your monthly payment amount, the interest rate if one applies, and whether any down payment is required upfront. This is a good time to review the total cost carefully so you understand exactly what you'll be paying over time. Once you've chosen the plan that fits your budget, accept the Uplift terms, pay any required upfront amount, and finalize your Southwest booking. After everything is completed, Southwest will send your flight confirmation and Uplift will send your payment schedule. From there, your monthly installments are typically charged automatically to your debit card. If needed, you can also manage your payments or pay off the balance early through your Uplift account. And that's how to use Uplift on Southwest.